This is like one of the most insane things I've ever done.
Beaches, fast love, running through the speed of light. You held my hand tight, and I was like, ooh, I was like, ooh. You were the only thing on my mind. We spent hours up, but time wasn't on our side. Didn't know we were short.
What's up, Alson? Hey, Clue. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? So I made it. I'm here, Deerfield Beach. We're going to a bar crawl. Wish me luck, because I got a drink and I'm gonna be hungover for tomorrow night. So morning of day one, baby. Went out last night. I know what you're probably thinking. The man went out last night, and you probably won't make it, but I'ma sure fucking try. What's up, y'all? So it ended up starting to pour on me, so I turned around real quick. I found this crazy ass awning though, and really it's kind of at the exit of Homestead, I think, so there's not really much going around. Otherwise I would have stopped at like a gas station or something. But you know what? This place is kind of cool. It's like a palm tree farm. Yeah, check this out. Palm trees everywhere. It's hard to hold my bike up because there's so much weight on it. I'm probably towing at least like 50 pounds or something, like crazy. Nah, maybe not 50. Let's say like 40. But I guess I'm just gonna hang out here for an hour or two, maybe. I'll check back in. You might get a lot of me because there ain't really much to do. Who knows? I might set up a tent. I'm back, baby. What's up, everybody? I'm a little lost right now. I just probably went about 3 or 4 miles out of the way. So, trying to get back. Google Maps tried to take me on a dirt path, which is not gonna happen. I'll check in a little bit. Okay, guys. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm like 45 miles in, but check this out. Skirt, skirt. Fuck yeah. So, I made it to a restaurant. Bardstown Road was the hardest fucking road ever. It was like 16 miles of straight heat, cars flying past you. So when like a car on the opposite side was coming, I would have to like hop off sometimes when another car was coming. It's ridiculous. But I made it past the toughest part. I got me some smoked fish bread and a chicken finger sandwich. I'm trying to reach out to people, but I have no service. But still got about 20 more miles to go. I'm 45 miles deep, and I'm hurting really bad. So I think I'm gonna just chill here for an hour. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Hotel for me right now. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. There's my dream boat. I got to look at it all night last night. Yeah, in Key Largo. I dig it. I'm packing up right now and getting ready for the 50-mile bike ride marathon. I'm in Key Largo right now, just so you're aware. Wish me luck. My butt really hurts. It really hurts.
My legs feel fine. They were hurting yesterday really bad, but my butt's killing me. Okay. Wish me luck.
On a bridge. Woo. Sketchy. Beautiful. I'm almost halfway already today.
Day 2 recap. It was straight the whole time. So it wasn't bad. It was hot. I had to stop maybe for a little bit longer just to chill. I didn't probably have to, but I stopped to enjoy myself, especially in the water at Long Key. I only rode 50 miles today, which was nice. Some couple gave me a free bottle of water, which was 2 bottles of water now that I think about it, which was really dope. I'm in like a semi-dinky hotel. It looks nice and it was cheap. I'm starving after I'm showered, obviously. I look decent. Oh, you know what? Hold on, before. Yo, I got burnt. You can't really, I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you later. But, I'm starving, and unfortunately there's nothing around for a half mile. Well, I mean, besides for Dunkin' Donuts and Wendy's, but screw that. So, I'm gonna end up riding my bike. At least it's not gonna have anything on it. I still don't know how I feel about it. I'll discuss after the fact. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go ride.
That slow burn wait while it gets dark, bruising the sun. I feel grown up with you in your car.
Morning of day 3. My ass still hurts. 50 miles to go to Key West, baby. 7-mile bridge. So right after the 7-mile bridge, got a flat. I figured out it was this little staple right here that got in my tire. Since it's a back tire, it's a little tougher to fix, but I'm gonna try it. Some gentleman at this new resort that's not even open yet gave me a water. I love nice people. It's a lot of riding through this. Hot out. It's hot out. A little more cloudy than yesterday. Got about 24 miles to go. 23 miles to go. Till mile 0. Got about 20 miles to go before I hit Key West. So, wish me luck, guys. All right, hold on. Yeah, baby. Don't got what in you? Austin?
The juice.
What's up, y'all? Just made it back to the car. It's about a 4-hour drive back home from Miami. But I guess you could say the mission's complete.